Alright, so djembe. Let's practice back with our verbal thing. Boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. So, we've got your djembe. I've only got a cajon, so pretend it's a djembe. We've got, turn it away from yourself so that the sound can come out the bottom. Use your thighs to hold it in place. Cup your hand, literally like so that you could hold some water in there, and that's going to give you the best bass sound. You need to hit the middle of the instrument with your cupped hands to get a good bass sound, and then the edge of the instrument with your fingertips to get a good snare sound. So just try and practice that. You don't want to hurt yourself. You don't have to do it too hard. It'll give you a good sound. And we're going to go boom, ka, boom, boom, ka with me. Just keep practicing that. Now you're driving the bus. You need to make sure that everyone's tempo stays the same, so you need to make sure your tempo stays the same. Maybe even get a metronome app and put it in your ears. We're at 95, so about this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just practice that. If you want to do the more advanced one, go to the next video.